Hi everyone, welcome back to the Good Chow's Life. It was day 3 of our Vizag trip, and today we were heading to one of the most beautiful places in Andhra Pradesh, Araku Valley. But before reaching our destination, we were about to experience something just as special, the famous Araku Valley train journey. The journey to Araku Valley started long before we reached our destination. We boarded the train from Visakhapatnam, excited for what everyone calls one of India's most scenic rail journeys, and it truly lived up to the hype. As the train slowly left Visakhapatnam behind and began climbing through the eastern ghats, the views became more breathtaking with every passing minute. Lush green forests, rolling hills, deep valleys, tiny villages, and fresh mountain air surrounded us from every direction. As the train climbed higher into the eastern ghats, the views became more magical with every passing minute. Dense green forests, mist covered hills, deep valleys, and tiny villages painted a picture that felt straight out of a dream. One of the most exciting parts of the journey was passing through the many tunnels every time the train entered one. The coach came alive with laughter and excitement. Inaya absolutely loved it and eagerly waited for the next tunnel to arrive. As we crossed bridges and caught glimpses of waterfalls and mist covered mountains, we couldn't stop looking out of the window. Every turn revealed a new view that was even more beautiful than the last. This wasn't just a train ride, it was an unforgettable experience and one of the highlights of our Vizag trip. If you are planning to visit Araku Valley, I highly recommend taking the train because the journey is just as magical as the destination. So come along with us as we explore the beauty of Araku Valley. And just like that, we arrived in the beautiful Araku Valley. This incredible train journey was an experience we'll always remember. Stay tuned for the next vlog where we'll take you along as we explore the most famous attractions, local experiences, and hidden gems of Araku Valley. See you in the next vlog.